Meaning of Fortean.
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 Fortean. Fortean refers to anything that is related to the work and research of Charles Fort, a writer and researcher who collected and documented anomalous and unexplained phenomena from around the world. The term Fortean has been used to describe a wide range of phenomena including UFO sightings, spontaneous human combustion, cryptozoology, and paranormal activity. Fortean research often focuses on collecting and analyzing first-hand accounts of mysterious events and phenomena, with the goal of uncovering new insights and explanations for these mysteries. Overall, the field of Fortean research remains a fascinating and ongoing exploration into the unknown and unexplained.